We've got a GoPro magnetic quick release, and this is GoPro 10. I know we have a new one, GoPro 13, which has its own magnetic quick release, but I still have this GoPro 10 and I can't still afford the GoPro 13, so, and it's still like new, so might as well use it. There's the instructions. Comes with the tool. I think I got it. So this is how it works. This one clips here, just like that, and these is gonna go in here, and it looks pretty good. You can't take it out. There. Let's install it. Just drop them. Let's try it. Now, let's see. Now I can see. There's a vibration there. Yep. I wouldn't recommend that. No, that's not good. Anyways, let's take this out. Just like that. That's pretty cool. Alright, time to use this thing. Bike is ready and we got a small rump in there to your left. Let's do it. I don't have enough. Forget it. I'm done. So weak.